Hey everyone, welcome back. We are starting the process of getting this truck ready. We're going to start going through it. First thing we always do when we get trucks in is wash them. So that's what we're going to be starting with today. I've got pressure washer, bucket and water. I've got the inspection plate off so we can get the engine compartment clean, get the engine clean. We're going to do underneath the seats, of course. Get that one raised up. So stick with us here. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. This is a 9,000 mile truck, 1997 S110P, 14,000 kilometers, right at 9,000 miles on this truck. So it is in really, really good shape. I can't think of a truck that we had with lower miles than the 2023 heavy duty dump that we had. I'm trying to think. This might be the lowest mile used truck that we've had in the last couple of years. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. A 99 dump truck that I had, I think last year, maybe year before last, it had 13,000 miles on it. Anyway, we're going to get this thing washed, get it ready, pull it back in here. We're going to start servicing it, get that headliner taken care of. I think we're just going to glue it back up onto the roof. Because this is actually, like I said, it's a 9,000 mile truck. It's in good shape. It's just the heat from sitting all the time weakens the glue, and it starts falling. So, gotta stick with us. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna put you on a hyperlapse and watch us speed around this thing and get it done, because it is pretty cold out here. It's I think it's in the 20s, maybe low 30s with a wind chill. So running water is not gonna be fun. But hey, it's supposed to be 40 degrees later. All right, stick with us. We'll show you how we start the process. All right, everyone, that's it. Truck's clean, well, washed clean. Next step is to get it buffed, and the body will be done. As you can see, there's still some streaks in the paint that's stained into that oxidation that's on the paint. This buff, this truck is going to look next to new. Very nice looking truck. Runs good. 9,000 miles, guys. 5-speed, high-low. Get the engine bay cleaned. She looks spancy. Thinking about leaving these stickers on. Some pretty cool ones. Don't know, I haven't decided yet. All right, guys, stick with us. We're gonna get this 97 Daihatsu back into the garage and start working on it. Stick with us, we'll be back.